There are numerous items accessible to tattoo machines, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best tattoo machines from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Tattoo Pen Kit 𝗰𝗲 Cartridge Tattoo Kit. 𝗰𝗲 Complete Tattoo Pen Kit. Continuous operation, low noise, long-lasting stability, ergonomic. Compatible with all tattoo cartridge needles. The tattoo pen kit includes one 𝗶𝗶 rotary tattoo pen with a RCA cord, one power supply with cable, 40 cartridges needles, one foot pedal, one bandage. The tattoo pen kit is finely carved CNC by aluminum alloy. The small gap between accessories and accessories, wear resistance, long time use without hot, long life. Speed, 10V1W min, powerful, can be used for shading and lining. Connected by RCA line, starting voltage. 5V, working voltage. 8 to 10 volts. Switching frequency. 55 to 165 Hz, stroke. 3.5 mm, 0 to 4 mm adjustable needle depth. Ergonomic pen style machine, emulating the grip and feel of an actual pen. This tattoo pen allows for more comfortable and precise tattooing procedure. The body of the pen is made of metal grinding technology, which makes it easier to hold and not easy to slip. This is a beautifully wrapped tattoo kit that you can use as a gift. Is a great choice. He not only has excellent working performance, but also has beautiful packing. Number 2. 𝗁𝗲 Tattoo Kit Rotary Tattoo Machine. 𝗁𝗲 Rotary Pen Tattoo Machine with cordless motor, strong power, super stable, pretty quiet, low noise. It is quite easy to master, compatible with most tattoo power and tattoo cartridge needles. 𝗁𝗲 Hybrid Tattoo Pen is designed to give you the closest feeling to the actual pen, which makes it easier to hold. The body of the pen is made of metal grinding technology. This machine features a powerful motor and exquisite appearance, lightweight, super stable. This tattoo pen allows for more comfortable and precise tattooing procedure. Customer satisfaction is our unceasing pursuit. If you have any problems about the tattoo kit, whether how to use or the set have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will help you to solve your problems as soon as. Number 3. 𝗶𝗏𝗃 Tattoo Machine Kit. This tattoo pen machine works best with the 2A output airfoil tattoo power supply. This kit researched and built up by our brand pro team. It used in many studios for tattoo and SMP. This tattoo power box gives you effortless adjustments with an easy-to-use one-touch knob, lightweight and compact, great for traveling artists, easy to wrap, protect, and keep clean. This tattoo machine features a powerful custom motor and an advanced gear system that guarantees reliable, quiet operation without any vibration. The mass machine has a working voltage of 6V9V ergonomic lightweight pen style machine. Pebble modeling. Made of space aluminum frame and custom mass motor. Length 11.7 cm. Weight 120 grams. Patent shell design. Increasing storage, absorbing faster, injection average. Special silicone ribbon membrane. Made by medical grade 𝗹𝗶𝗶𝗀. Lowest in solder, innovate medical PC material connect needles. Popular cartridges all over world tattoo artists. The 𝗶𝗏𝗃 tattoo machine is compatible with all cartridge needles type and tattoo power supply. Number 4. 𝗰𝗲 Tattoo Kit Rotary Tattoo Machine. 𝗰𝗲 Tattoo Pen adopts RCA cord, low noise, long stability, integrated, travel friendly. Compatible with all types of standard needles. The complete tattoo kit is a great choice for beginners and tattoo artists. This tattoo pen adopts double ball bearing motor, which has the advantages of long life, good anti-aging performance, and stronger stability. The body of the pen is made of space aluminum alloy, and the precision mold makes each part fit tightly to reduce vibration and friction. Needle protrusion 0.4.5 mm. Length of the stroke 3.5 mm. 𝗰𝗲 cartridges needles, excellent performance, increase the amount of ink storage, ink absorption speed, each hit smooth operation, to help you complete beautiful tattoos. This starter tattoo kit is only used for practice. Please do not tattoo on human skin if you are not a professional tattoo artist. Number 5. 𝗶𝗵𝗲 Tattoo Kit Tattoo Gun Kit. 𝗶𝗵𝗲 Tattoo Kit, custom tattoo gun for beginners, more convenient to use and control, lightweight, easy assembly process. Set includes basic accessories needed for tattoo machine, tattoo power, tattoo needles, tattoo inks, tattoo ink cups, tattoo gloves, tattoo grip tapes, and you can start tattoo on practice skin, orange peel, pork peel, banana, etc. Professional tattoo premium motor will not heat up so fast or reduce performance for a long time working, and because the quality is very light, it will not make your hands sore. This machine features an advanced gear system that guarantees reliable, quiet operation, has a working voltage of 7V11 volts. It compatible with all cartridge needles type. C certification, 1-year warranty. Please keep the machine working under 11V to protect the power supply and the machine gun.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.